Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
All right, guys, I finally did it. A lot of you have been asking to see me standing up instead of always sitting down. So here it is. You know, I've been biting my nails with the thought of doing this video. My official before and after. I mean, I'll be honest. Sharing these before pictures isn't easy. Back when I was big, I wasn't a big picture taker. Hell, I didn't even like to look at myself in the mirror, let alone take a photograph. Most of the before photos you're about to see weren't even taken by me. People snapped them without my knowledge while I was sitting down or visiting with friends or whatever, or family, whatever the case. And honestly, I never would have approved these pictures being taken, but you know. As uncomfortable as those pictures are to look at, I wanted to share them with you guys. And I gotta tell you, it's taken a lot for me to do this. But they do show how far I've come. This is 70 plus pounds down. This is proof that the work, the meds, the lifestyle shifts all pays off. And while yes, I'm proud of where I am now, I'm not going to stop here. I have a long way to go. My next goal will be well, of course, you guys know my next major milestone is 100 pounds. And then after that will be 125 pounds. So I'm just going to show you guys these photographs. Okay, so here we go. And the reminder is change is possible, no matter how impossible it feels at the start. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry it took me so long to get this before and after video together and out there, but I was reluctant. So thanks guys for watching. I appreciate your patience with me, and I'll see you guys in a couple of days.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.